Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix JBL Quantum 100 mic not working. If you want to fix the issue, then you will need to follow some steps. First, you need to check how to set up your microphone in your JBL headphones. Ensure that only one voice chat application in use while in game. Be sure you hear a click when the microphone is flipped down. The microphone will only function when it flipped down fully. If you see a red LED on the microphone, it is muted. So, how to check your PC settings for the correct recording device? For that, go to Control Panel, then select Hardware and Sound, then click on Sound, then select Recording. Then make sure to select the proper recording device. Click on it Quantum Headset. Now select Set Default Device or select Default Communication Device. Then check the microphone levels by right click on the Quantum Headset. Then click on Properties. Then choose Levels. Then adjust accordingly. Please also make sure the volume control on the headset is turned on. Rotate the volume wheel on your headset to increase the volume. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.